Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Kia Optima SX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.